The street is full of excitement, of fleeting moments that come and go so quickly. And there's that certain rhythm that takes place on a busy city street. You have to think and react quickly.
Hey, how are you?
Good. Nice to meet you guys again.
Trying to convince him to have a sausage. I don't think he wants one. Awesome, thank you.
Your sausage is on the counter.
The reason I love shooting in the street is because I just can't get enough of real, authentic moments. We become witness to them every time we frame an image.
My hand is full. Hold off on the gummy bears.
It's always been difficult for the photographer to become one with the events that take place in the streets. You know, we've heard this said before, many times before, but we really do have a responsibility as artists to photograph in a way that not only documents what's happening, but also to capture the moments that in some unconscious way have a greater meaning to us as individuals, a more personal approach to making photographs.
Hi, I got something. I don't have a lot, but I got something. God bless you.
She has an appointment at the hospital, and we have like $40 on us. We're trying to get by Jada Fincher.
I'm not afraid to get in close, and if I'm stopped, I just tell people that I'm a street photographer. I tell them the truth. I tell them my story. I tell them how important it is, and I hope that they get it, and they allow me to photograph. I know that some will not get it and feel threatened by my presence, but I can't let that stop me, because I mean no harm, and I'm more than happy to explain why I do what I do. Now, if your intentions are good, I truly believe then you're doing nothing wrong whatsoever.
mind if I get a photo of you? No photos today? Okay.